Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's a vlog, just a simple one. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. As I entered the kitchen early morning, Mom was preparing the dough for the rice rotis. We usually prepare these here in Kerala for breakfast. That's a cup of tea and having a piece of cake. That's Mom's caramelized sugar cake. My previous video was on this and two other cakes. Hope you have watched it. Two ripe plantains. That's for my father-in-law. We'll be boiling this in the pressure cooker. Now this is black chana or black chickpeas. Mom had already cooked it in the pressure cooker, adding some salt. Cooking the plantains in the pressure cooker, adding little water. That's a pan for the rotis. Slicing two medium-sized onions for the curry. I'm not using a cutting board here, just slicing it as such. Some garlic pods, chopping it. For the curry I'm using coconut, so this is how we remove the husk. You might have already seen this in my previous Kerala vlogs. Instead of grating it, Mom take out the coconut into pieces and then we grind it in a strong blender without adding any water first. So it's grated now. Heating some coconut oil in a vessel. Now roasting the coconut. Adding few slices of onions, some curry leaves and few garlic chopped. Roasting till it starts changing the color. Then add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, around half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Roast well in low flame till the coconut is crispy. Transferring to a plate so that it cools down before blending. Now I'm using the same vessel, adding some more coconut oil. Then goes into sliced onions, chopped garlic and few curry leaves. Mix well. Mom was stitching her blouse in between. Once sauteed for 4 to 5 minutes, add 2 or 3 slated green chillies. Then add 1 small tomato chopped. Adding some salt. Keep in low flame. Meanwhile, the roasted coconut is all cooled down, adding to a blender along with some water. Into the onions, adding 1.5 cup of cooked black chana along with some water. Once it starts boiling, adding the grinded coconut and some more water. Now into the blender added some water, then added 2 big spoons of the chana from the curry and grinded it well. Now this is for getting the curry a little more thick consistency and it tastes good too. Check salt and add if needed. Let it boil for 2 minutes and the curry is done. Before breakfast, just cleaning up the sink so that it's easy later. Arman woke up, and thus Rehan too awake but still in bed. Usually I give them a shower soon after they wake up. Here mom cooks rice in thermal cooker. We don't use the traditional oven at home, so this saves a lot of time and energy. In between, there was a brother who came in to put down the coconuts from the trees. They are actually very skillful, not everyone can climb up and down like them. Making a simple vegetable curry for lunch. That's dal. Adding a handful to the pressure cooker. Washed it. Adding some turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Some water and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Now that's snake-gourd. Slicing it. Once the dal is all cooked, add this to the dal. Then 2 or 3 green chillies. Adding half cup of water if needed. Then cook for 2 whistles. Now that's raw plantains using for the lunch again. This is a very simple dish. I have shown this once a little earlier in one of my videos. You can chop it in any size. Adding some coconut oil in a pot. You can add shallots if you want for extra taste. I didn't have it that time, so I'm using chopped onions and 2 green chillies. Once it turns to a light brown color, add some water, then some salt. When the water is boiling, add the chopped plantains. Give a mix and cover. Cook in low flame. Water has all dried and this is cooked, so it's ready. Now for the fish marinade, into a blender adding few garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, just a crush, then adding some curry leaves, adding 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, some salt, add some coconut oil, just a glug of water and mix well. Squeezing juice of 1 lemon. Now here the marinade was a little less, so I'm adding few more red chilli powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Mix everything well. Adding 1 kilo fish pieces, you can add any fish. Now here at home in Kerala we have early breakfast, so we're having some more after some time in between 10 to 11. So me and mom was having it, same as of our breakfast. Mom had grinded coconut along with some fennel seeds, adding to the curry along with some water. Fish frying is done. Let the curry boil and the coconut get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Then tempering it with chopped onions. Here again you can add shallots if you have. Some curry leaves. Final is the kitchen cleaning. Lunchtime. Later that evening, got out for visiting our house construction site. Lot of work left to complete. That's a view from the top floor balcony. Leaving back home, having a cup of tea and again a piece of cake. I'm completely out of track nowadays. So that's for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching it. For more videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notifications on new videos. See you soon, hopefully with vlogs again. Until then, take care. Bye bye.